Hello everyone, so today I will record a short video on how to change the password in your environment in under a minute. Even if you have hundreds of hosts, you can change the root password very quickly, and I will show you how to do it with an Ansible playbook. I already prepared an Ansible playbook. The playbook uses as a variable uses the hosts file. So this file contains all my hosts and that I need to change the password. They are all here in those in my pools. So I'm only connected to this one, but I will later on connect to all of them. The playbook uses the passwords stored in the vault. So let's edit the vault to see how it looks like. Ansible vault edit, and your vault is called root vault. I mean my vault is called root vault. It will ask for the vault password, and once you're here, you can see that the root password, it's used as a variable in the playbook. So each time I'm writing here this variable root password, Ansible will replace it with the current password, and we want to change it from the current one to this one, the password 10 and exclamation sign. The playbook, as I told you, is very short. It's a basic command. It just connects to every host that is found in the hosts file, and it uses the normal password change command, and it replaces the old password with the new password. Okay, so if you want, for example, to edit the vault, you just have to type on the keyboard insert, and then you can change whatever you want. Let's change it to password 20 exclamation sign. After that, if you click on or push the escape on the keyboard and then shift the two dots, right, and quit. So this is basically the V editor, which is very well known in Linux. So I hope you know how to work with it. It's not that difficult. Okay, the password 20. Let me remember the password. Okay. Now let's execute the script. Like always, Ansible playbook. The playbook name is change. Okay, and we need to ask for the vault password. Pass. Okay, this time the vault pass, and the playbook will start to change the password, and it shows you on each server that it's connecting, and it's replacing the password. So let's just wait for it to finish. Okay, it's done. If you were connected like I am with the root password, so because this is my lab, I'm not using the Active Directory accounts. I'm using the root password all the time, the root user and the root password. But now, because I'm already connected with the old password, I just need to disconnect and forget the password. And then if I reconnect with the new password, that was the password 20 exclamation sign, then I'm able to reconnect. Let's type it also to this one, the password 20 exclamation sign. Okay, so the root password was changed on each host because changing the root password does not work if you change it only on the pool master. So if you change it on the pool master, it will not have any effect on the members. So you have to replace it on each member individually. But of course, with the Ansible or maybe with a bash script. Okay, so this was the video for today. Thank you for watching.